Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Capitec application error. If you're experiencing errors with the Capitec mobile application, then here are some general steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. The first thing you'll need to look for is to check for regular updates for the app. Open your App Store or your Play Store and search for Capitec Bank. If you see an update button, simply go ahead and press on the update button to begin downloading the latest release for Capitec application. But if you see an open button, it means that your application is already updated. Once you update your application, it might be able to solve your issue since developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve app performance. If the problem still persists, you will need to check your internet connection. Go ahead and connect to a stable internet, whether you're using a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, and ensure that your device has a stable connection. Also make sure to ensure that your device's operating system is up to date. Sometimes application errors can be related to compatibility issues, so go ahead and tap Open Settings app from your iOS device or your Android device and then go tap on General. Look for the software update button and press on it and check for available update for your operating system. If you see an available update, make sure to update your application right now by tapping on Download and Install. Once you have the latest software for your mobile device, you might be able to fix the Capitec application error. After performing all of these steps, open Capitec application and try logging into your online banking account to see if it works. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through Capitec app issue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.